Welcome back to the Bike Rider Pro. The 2026 Honda CBR is finally here, and it's sharper, smarter, and faster than ever before. Honda has taken its legendary CBR DNA and pushed it to the next level with aggressive styling, advanced electronics, and track-focused performance. Whether you're a street rider or a weekend racer, this machine is built to dominate. Bold new design. The 2026 CBR features a completely redesigned, aerodynamic fairing inspired by MotoGP technology. Sleeker LED headlights, sharper body lines, and winglet-style air channels give it a race-ready presence. The lightweight chassis not only looks stunning but improves high speed, stability, and cornering precision, engine and performance. Under the fairings, the 2026 Honda CBR packs a refined high-revving, inline engine delivering explosive acceleration and smooth throttle response. Enhanced fuel mapping and improved cooling systems ensure consistent power delivery. The quick shifter and slipper clutch make gear transitions seamless, whether you're carving through city streets or attacking the track. Advanced technology. Honda equips the 2026 CBR with cutting-edge rider aids including traction control, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS and launch control. A full-color TFT display keeps all essential data clear and customizable. Smartphone connectivity adds modern convenience to this high-performance machine. Suspension and handling. With upgraded front forks and a rear monoshock system, the new CBR offers exceptional balance and feedback. The braking system delivers strong, confidence-inspiring stopping power. Every detail is engineered to provide razor-sharp handling and total rider control. Comfort meets aggression. Despite its aggressive nature, the 2026 CBR offers improved ergonomics. The redesigned seat and optimized riding position reduce fatigue, making longer rides more comfortable without sacrificing its sporty feel. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CBR is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. With enhanced power, smarter electronics, and race-inspired design, it sets a new benchmark in the sport bike world. If you're looking for a machine that blends speed, style,